Impact. When evaluating our design, there are a few aspects to consider. The first, physical feasibility. Each acre of algae pond produces up to 15,000 gallons of oil a year. This works out to be a production of over 20 grams of oil every day from a pond of only 1 square meter in size. This means that a relatively small algae pond should be capable of producing enough oil to power a small vehicle to be used in emergency situations. Moreover, each unit of mass of certain types of algae can contain 77% of its mass in oil, meaning that the fuel tank of the vehicle would not have to be much larger or heavier than it would be if pure oil were being used as fuel. However, one limitation of the design is that the thick oil produced by squeezing the algae may not be burnt with a high degree of efficiency in the engine due to difficulty in rapid ignition. Secondly, economic feasibility. The method and design described presents extremely low running costs. The only costs to be considered are the maintenance and upkeep of the engine, as well as the cost of processing the algae prior to its use, which is extremely low cost because it does not need expensive materials. As for initial costs, to create the algae ponds, minimal resources are required. Therefore, design and manufacturing of the altered engine create the majority of the significant startup costs in this project. The exact cost of this production cannot be accurately determined. However, it is known that a one-off alteration of an existing car engine to run on different viscosity fuels can cost a sum of $350 to $2,000 for most cars. With this range putting the cost into perspective, it can be concluded that this project, although initially expensive, should be economically feasible by large NGOs.
Created using Powtoon.